What's up, YouTube? Thinkvesting here. Finally got the results of some of the gold pandas that I submitted to NGC Hong Kong a few months back. And so very quickly, here are the results. Of the three 2017 gold panda coins, the first one graded MS68 and the next two graded MS69s. Now, in general, what I had wanted to accomplish was at least one MS70 and maybe two MS69s. So 2017 was a bit more difficult than I had thought. And so maybe I'm thinking I will try and purchase an MS70 directly and leave it at that. 2018 fared much better, and in this case, this set of three 2018 gold pandas, I was able to get, the first one was able to get an MS70, second one was also an MS70, and the third one was MS69. So 2018 fared much better than the 2017 set in terms of the grading. Now, going back to my first submission for the 2016, in the 2016 I was able to get an MS70 and two MS69s. So in general, this is my standard. In general, I'm hoping to get at least one MS70 and maybe two MS69s. So 2017 was a bit below that, and 2018 was much better. But I hope you notice that there's been a slight changing in the way they label these gold pandas, and that the 2016 ones were in all caps, and the 2017 and 2018 ones are now in the normal case that we use. So in this case, they look a little bit or much more different compared to the 2016 lettering, and I'd wanted them to change that, but they said that this was a policy change, due to a policy change, and the person I was talking to was saying this was probably due to the some of the labeling, some of the labels allow for much longer lettering, and so I think this allows them to actually have more lines available to put in several designations or whatever into the label. But still missing in this 2017 and 2018 set is the Thinkvesting collection pedigree, which I'd wanted to be put in there. So I had to resubmit these again, and so they will be sent back to the US for reslabbing and then for re-imaging later on. So hopefully should be back by towards end of August this year, and I'll share those with you once those come in later. I also wanted to share that in terms of the SGD Singapore dollar pricing, we're about the highest point in 2011 was about 2,000, almost 2,300, and really about $200 away, or about 10% away from that high in 2011. And in peso terms, we're about 2,000 or 3,000 pesos away from that. So actually, I've been looking around and trying to check what exactly is happening, but we're fairly close to those financial crisis highs, and I'm really starting to get worried why exactly the gold prices are going up the way they are, given that the US and China trade wars haven't really escalated to a point where it's gone really bad, but the prices of gold and silver seem to be shooting up very highly in the last few days. It's some cause of concern for me, but because my family has bought a bit of the precious metals, we're not as worried. But still wondering why exactly prices are going up in such a high pace in the past few days. Well, that's it for this video. As always, I'd like to wish everyone continued prosperity and success, and I look forward to seeing you in the next few videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you. Bye.